Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Fiona and I'm a full-time artist. And on this channel, I like to take you with me on my artistic journey, whether that means working on projects here in my studio, going out to see art exhibits, buying art supplies and sharing my haul with you, basically any art-related content. So if that sounds like something you're into, please like and subscribe. It helps me out so much. It's one free click for you and it makes a big difference for my channel and I would really appreciate it. All right, friends, we are back for part 2 of my getting ready for the holiday shop launch series. So you can see part 1, it's linked below, but my holiday shop is launching this Friday, November 29th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please keep an eye out for that and I hope you enjoy seeing everything that went into it. Let's jump into it. Good morning, friends. It is officially October. Zelda's here to say hello. But we have been making things and just emptied the kiln the other day. But I went ahead and made a list of everything I want to make. My mother made 21 votives. I know that I have earrings. I know I have vases. I just need to count what I have. And I might have some stuff left over from my last shop update, so I just kind of want to take inventory of that and then see what else needs to be done. I know I don't have any mugs because they sold out last time, but yeah, let's do some inventory. So here's everything we have so far. I'm imagining we're going to probably double what we have here, and that'll be a full inventory. The other thing to keep in mind is these all fire differently because they're all different clays. So we have porcelain, which is a high fire, and then my hand building clay, which is a very low fire. So there will be multiple firings for the glazes and different glazes that I have to use. So that will all get figured out, but we are off to a good start. So I think what I'm gonna do with my space here is turn some of it into like a glazing station and then like a building station. Yeah, this is going to become like a glazing den for basically the next month and a half because we have probably, I would say, looking at the list, if we do everything I have on there, probably 2 or 3 more bisque fires. I'm gonna keep like slab building stuff today, but really in the next week, I need to transition into glazing and let my mom finish the rest of the bisque fires because in terms of the timing, that's gonna work out best. And that's usually how we work. My mom builds and I glaze. So that way, like, the responsibilities kind of split over 2 people. But, you know, I've been doing coil building and I've been helping with the ornaments and the votives. Like my mom threw the votives, but then I was helping, you know, punch out the stars. So normally that's in her court, but I've been taking on a bit more of that. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to switch over to start glazing because otherwise November is just like, I'm gonna be chained to the table glazing, and there's other things for the chalet that need to happen. So I need to figure out like what's the electricity situation, because do I have music? Do I have lights? Then there's other decor. So I'm gonna go pick up some stuff Saturday, hopefully from Propagate Studio, get that that thrifted holiday items to kind of help deck it out. I need to figure out shelving, tables, you know, and then maybe frame some paintings. Like there's gonna be a lot on offer in this little chalet. So yeah, I kind of just need to start strategizing that. And then the other thing is what I found out when I did the thrift in town is that the Wi-Fi is not good. So I ended up offlining a lot of sales. No problem. Everything went through afterwards once I got back online, but I would prefer not to do that again. So I kind of need to figure out hotspots. And then of course, I need to figure out all the marketing for this. So, you know, a newsletter needs to go out ahead of time, probably 2 newsletters in actuality, like one a month out, one the week of. Then I need to figure out when this video is going to go up and start editing it. I need to make some Instagram reels to promote it. So a lot needs to happen. I know I was like, it's 2 months, I feel good. But when I start saying it out loud, there's a lot to figure out. Packaging, I need to figure out packaging. It's a lot. It's a lot. You guys remember like 2 months ago when I was like, I'm just gonna like chill and not do anything, and now I'm doing this. So typical of me. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm gonna get some clay up here and get rolling. Good morning, friends. I'm back with my matcha. We had a productive day yesterday, but I need to work on earrings, so I'm gonna get started on that. I'm a little bit slow because I'm due for my medication for my autoimmune condition, but I recently had COVID, so my doctor told me to hold a little bit longer before taking it, so I am sore and a little slow, but that's okay. We're gonna get stuff done. So basically, I have a lot to do for the chalet and the holiday shop launch. And then last night, I got an email saying I got accepted into both the Brooklyn and the New York City Renegade craft fair. I've applied in the past, always been rejected, and this year I applied for both the Brooklyn and the New York City one. A month before the chalets, there's a big fair in town called Sauce for the Goose. And when I spoke to the fine folks over at the Arts Council, they were like, are you going to apply for Sauce for the Goose? And I said, no. I said, but I think I'll apply for a chalet. And they said, okay, but just telling you, like, a lot more people get accepted into Sauce for the Goose. The chalets are a lot more competitive because there's only 4 chalets. And so I was kind of like, oh. And I got a little bit worried after they said that I wouldn't get in. So what I ended up doing was applying for Renegade Brooklyn. And so I got accepted into that. And then the weekend after, there's a Renegade in Manhattan. Anyway, I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed because I was being like, you're meant to take it easy, Fiona. And like, we're listing my house. I'm going to San Francisco in less than 2 weeks. So like tomorrow I'm literally going to my house to help stage it for a photographer to come. And then we're gonna have like a coming soon message. And then I'm in San Francisco for like 6 days. I come back, we list the house like 2 days after that. And then it's like a month till the chalets. And then if I do Renegade, it's the weekend after the chalet. So it's a lot. It's a lot. But it's that thing where I've always been rejected from it. And now that I got in, I feel like I want to do it. So I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna have to make more stuff. I just have to, I mean, and I have all of this to glaze with more coming. So it's just like, can I do it all as usual? And I really thought this fall I was gonna take a step back, but now I'm like full force as usual. I don't know. I'm just rambling. A lot on my mind this morning. I think what I need to do is just get into making work, and then that'll ease how I feel. So thanks for listening. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay friends, today has been a productive day in the studio. We added handles to 11 mugs. I made a tripod dish, brush holders, a bunch of earrings, and I have an octagon plate here, and my mom trimmed the ring dishes. So we're looking good. The next thing I'm going to do is start glazing all of this on Friday. I think maybe get in a glaze firing before I leave for San Francisco. So that is the plan as of now. So I'll see you guys back here, yeah, in like 2 days to do that. The kiln is officially being loaded. All these little ornaments. So I will have a lot of ornaments to paint this week.